When you're looking to edit your footage, you have a wide range of software choices available to you. In a professional environment, we'd suggest taking a look at either Premiere Elements or DaVinci Resolve. Both of these have free options and they're both professional softwares that will be used in the real world environment. So it's good to get to grips with them at this stage when you're learning and just starting out. If you only have your phone available to you for editing, take a look at CapCut and InShot, which are two great apps that will really help you understand the basics of video editing. They'll also allow you to pull your first films together on your phone. Every editor will have a slightly different method when it comes to getting the edit together, but here's a very basic 5-stage process that you can follow to get your edit complete and put together. Firstly, you're going to want to import your footage into your editing software so you can start editing it. It's assumed by this point that you've backed up your footage correctly. If you want some more information on backing up and due diligence, jump back to our previous video which explores that in more depth. Step 2 is sync and selects. Now, if you've shot with multiple cameras and separate audio recorders, the first thing you want to do is sync all this footage and audio up so it's all in time and ready to edit. Next, you're going to want to take a look at your select. So you're going to choose the usable bits of your interview footage and also your usable B-roll as well. So you know what you've got to work with when it comes to the next step. Step 3 is to cut the narrative. Most often this is done through interview footage and pieces to camera. So you're going to want to go through and build that first. This is going to form the narrative spine of your edit and help you decide what B-roll you'll need next. Step 4 is to do what's commonly referred to as painting with B-roll. Once you've got your interview footage or your narrative on the timeline, you're going to know what relevant B-roll you need to add at certain points. You may also want to do a story of the day, starting with your earliest B-roll first and using your latest B-roll at the end. And step 5, the final stage, is to go back and review your edit, perhaps trim down the bits you don't need to make it a little bit more concise, really tighten and neaten it up. It's most advisable to do all your finishing touches, color, sound at this point, once you know exactly what footage you've got so you're not wasting time grading a lot of footage that you might necessarily not even end up using in your edit. Once you've got a strong working version and it's ready to show, you may consider sending this to your client. And in the next video, we're going to explore the process for how you professionally send a video onto your client for review.
For more filmmaking, education and resources, make sure you visit the link in the description.